guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look using the Morphe 3502 palette. I just wanted to really dip into fall already, so this is the look I wanted to start off with. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, then just please keep on watching. Alrighty, so to get this video started, we are going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette, and if you guys don't know what that looks like, which I'm sure you all do, is this pretty palette. So the colors that I'm going to be using, there's literally only 5 shades, okay, but it's just really going to be super simple, trust me. So for starters, and also if I'm looking down this way, I kind of moved my bigger mirror to the side so it's not going to be into the camera and I don't have to use that other one. So to get started, I know there are names with this. I'm going to be putting the names down in the description box because I lost the paper, and any papers like that I lose, so we'll just go with this. So anyways, I'm going to be going into this lighter purple shade, and I'm just going to use this as my transition color. So just go ahead and throw that on top and just blend that through. Okay, so with that being blended, we are going to be going to the shade right next to it, which is a deeper, plummier shade, and throw that right underneath. And if you have to, go ahead and go back into that first shade and just blend the top out and bring that color back a little. Okay, so the third shade we are going to is a color I was not sure I wanted to use, but I was like, you know what, we're gonna go and just chance it and see because I really wanted to use it. It is that greenish brown look. It's a very interesting color. I love it, but we're going to throw that right underneath that second color. Okay, so with that blended, I was blending a little higher into that second shade that we used, just to deepen it a little more to what I was wanting. But you go back into that second shade and put it right where you had it in the first place, right in the crease, and just go ahead and bring it back just a little bit. So that is what we should be having. And right now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Okay, so with the crease cut, I'm going into first with that really pretty gold shade, and I'm going to put this halfway. Okay, and so last shade we are going to be using is this really pretty, I don't know, to me it looks like a brown but with some purple in there, so not necessarily a plum, but it is very pretty. So we are going to use this on the rest of the lid. So with that on there, and we have that harsh line there, to get that really pretty in-between color, I just go back into the gold shade and just keep it more on the gold side, and then just slowly blend it into that deeper shade. And I'm using very light strokes for this. I'm not digging on my lid. And you should have your lid color. So right now I am going to get a flat definer brush, and I'm going to be mixing that darker purple shade right there with that brown, and I'm going to be pressing that up against my bottom lashes. Okay, and now I'm going to be getting that lighter purple shade, and I'm just going to blend this out on the bottom. And lastly, I am going back into that gold shade, and I'm just going to add that to the inner corner part of the bottom lash line. Okay, and so right now I am going to go ahead and do my wing liner and put on mascara, and then we'll be back to finish the rest of the eyes. Okay, so I am back now, and to highlight the inner corner in my brow, I'm going to be using the Ofra Cosmetics, the Glazed Donut by Nikki Tutorials, and I am going to get my little brush and put it all under the brow bone. And I'm blending it into this shade before I blend it back up. So getting my first brush that I use, and I'm just going over that just a tad, like so. And now getting a little tinier brush and throwing that right on the inner corner, just because I really wanted this to pop and, you know, have its own little area, just like how the gold is gonna have its own little area. Okay, oh, and by the way, for lips, I know I threw it on when I was doing my mascara and stuff. I just used the Tartiest lip paint in the shade Delish. So that's what I ended up using. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and set my face. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I just thought it was a great look to start fall looks because I was so excited. And even if I am a little early, I can't wait anymore. I think it's fall time, so I'm ready for the looks to do. So if there are any looks you guys want to see, any colors, products, anything like that, go ahead and throw those down in the comments below. And with all of that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.